So here I am outside my car, in front of my place. I can't get in my car. The ice is so bad. No, this side is ice. Meanwhile, it's like an inch deep of snow. I'm struggling to even walk around. I'm trying to find my little stick that I can use to clean out the snow, but I can't find it. Oof. Yeah, this side is completely frozen. This side, it's only the driver's side that I can enter. Yeah, it's a crazy day. And I'm hoping the snow will melt a little bit, but it's gonna be cold as hell, so. Oh. Look, can't even walk. Whew. Man. Well, stay blessed, people, and keep warm out there.